Hello. Welcome to another section of forex trading. In today's video, I'll be explaining to you how to spot the direction of the market, how to follow the trend, and how to get a perfect or an entry in the forex market using the trend line. Okay, so there are certain things that I look out for. That is my entry confirmation. I'm going to share with you what I look out for so that you could also add that to your trading strategy or your knowledge in the forex market. So, welcome once again, and thank you for being part of this family. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to share this video because I promise you this video is going to blow your mind. So stay with me till the end of this video. So as a forex trader, what I do is the first thing that I do when I spot the direction of a market is to draw my trend line. Okay, if you haven't watched the video where I explain how to draw a trend line, you should probably click on the channel and watch how to draw a trend line. Okay, but for a quick recap, a trend line, as I said in the other video, you need 2 points to draw a line. Okay, a line is simply a distance between 2 points. So when a market is coming from the downside like this, so assuming we have a market that is going like this, okay, and you spot a reversal pattern. Okay, a reversal pattern could be a double top or head and shoulder. So as we spot, let's say we are spotting a double top pattern like this. Okay, we spot a double top pattern like this, then all of a sudden we broke the neckline, which is this neckline. We broke it and we couldn't break this high. Okay, so we created something like this and market started dropping. Okay, so at this point, all you should know is that you spotted two lines or 2 points to draw your trend line. So from there you take your trend line to quickly you draw your trend line. Okay, so what you should be expecting is that you take an entry on the third touch. The third touch, so you are waiting for the market to pull back to the trend line. Okay, then give you an entry confirmation for you to sell because you have spotted the direction of the market by where the market broke this neckline, created a low, went up and broke this low again, creating a new low. So this also correspond with what? A resistance level over here. So this could give you a perfect nice entry. So enough with this, let's get to the chart so that I show you how I was able to spot that. So as market was coming up all the way from this side and created these equal highs. So as it created these equal highs, I realized that something is about to happen in this market. And what I did was I waited for the market to do its own thing. So it came down, creating this low, then went up. So as it went up over here, it didn't break this high. So I was expecting this low to get broken, but the major low is this one. Okay, the major low is this one. So as I waited for this one to get broken, it broke this one and came all the way to break this one as well. Okay, so the move happened from all the way from the top here to the bottom here. So what I did is I assumed this one to be the first point, second point. So I drew my trend line. As you can see, this line, I drew it and I extend it. Okay, and I extend it into the future. So what I was expecting is I was expecting a third touch, and as you can see, I drew some resistance line over here. Okay, support which turned to a resistance level for me. So I was waiting for market to come for a third touch. So the third touch, that was when I entered the market. Okay, that was when I entered the market. But before I share with you my entry strategy or my entry confirmation, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button right now. Yes, the red button. Also, give the video thumbs up so that we move forward. Okay. All right. So what I did was my entry confirmation is very simple. It's very simple. Actually, I do my most of my analysis on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so it doesn't matter the time frame you are on. You can use the same entry confirmation in any other time frame. So simply put, I'm going to zoom these things for you to see it very well. I have a perfect example for you here so that you'll be able to see it. You see this candle here, this fall candle that just happened over here. Let me do it well so that you see it. So let me reduce the. So you see these four candles that just happened here. These four candles. I believe you can see it very well. So you see the first bearish candle. The first bearish candle as the market was coming down. You see that it created a wick. Okay, as it created a wick, the third one also created a wick. The candle did not, there's no candle closing below the wick of this one. So the wick of this one, as you can see, is here. Okay, this is the wick. So my expectation is that none of these candles should close below this wick. Okay, so the minimum candle, and I want to say, is four candles forming this pattern for me. Okay, four candles forming these patterns for me. So the first one bearish, second one bearish, third one bearish, then the fourth one or the fifth one giving me an engulfing candle. If you have been with me from or if you have been with me on this channel for a while, you know that most of my entry that I talk about is an engulfing candle. Okay, so I saw this thing. Okay, I saw this, and it has given me a beautiful engulfing candle. Then over here, you enter your buy position. You enter your buy position depending on your risk to reward. Then you set your stop loss. Okay, set your stop loss. Then you set your target as well. Remember, I said don't take less than 1:2. Okay, so most of the times when this formation happens and the 4 hour candle closes, the next one that opens will give you a small pullback. It will be coming down as if it's going to sell. It will give you a small pullback. Then that is your entry confirmation. You could even go to the lower time frame, the 15 minutes, to spot an entry on that one, because the higher time frame has given you a major confirmation for a buy position or a sell position. Then you take that. So let's look at the entries that I've taken and see if that is exactly what I used. Okay, so as this market, let me zoom out small. As this market approaches as this market approach the trend line, I was waiting for it to touch the line. Okay, I was waiting for it to touch the line. So as it happens, let me move this to the side, and also let me move this one. Let me move this one up. So you see this candle, this candle, this bullish candle created a wick, then we have a bearish, then this one touches the line. Okay, this one touches the line, then I have an engulfing candle over here. Do you have it? We have an engulfing candle over here. So this engulfing candle, that was when I entered what? A sell position. This engulfing candle. So as you can see, as the engulfing candle closes, immediately the market had a pullback. So market had a pullback, trying to trap some people. I was waiting. So I take, also another thing that I mostly use is I wait for the market to pull. At times I wait for the market to pull back to 50% of this engulfing candle. Okay, this engulfing candle, I'll mark 50%. which is the middle of this candle. Then when the market comes over there, I enter my sell position. Okay, setting my target to the recent low. That is what I did, and that is what I've been using. That is the entry confirmation that I've been using. My brothers, my sisters, it helps a lot. And most at times when you take all the trades, you can backtest what I'm talking about right now. You can backtest it and see how it happens. Look at this point. The first one was bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Then we have an engulfing candle. When the engulfing candle happened, what happened? It had a pullback. It had a pullback almost to 50% of it. Then it sells. Okay, look at this one. Even look at this one. Giving you beautiful. So you, if you don't use this strategy or you don't take what I'm telling you right now, well, I don't know what you want to take from my videos again. This is one of my major secrets that I'm sharing with you. Also, risk management is very, very important. You have to take that one into consideration. But you don't just have to be trading for trading sake. You have to follow the trend. Okay? You have to follow the trend. So you see that when the markets approach the trend line again, so after it broke this low, it approaches the trend line. And look at what happened over here. All these things that happened, this one, first one, second one, so I was expecting like a third one, then the fourth one giving me what, a beautiful engulfing candle. So the engulfing candle happened on the third candle, which I don't take. Mostly when it is three candles, I do not take it. So I was expecting the fourth one pull back, all these pullback. You see, all of them, none of them close above this, the first rejection. None of the candles close above it. So they all rejected and closed it. So assuming these candles should have given me an engulfing, nice engulfing candle, I would have entered. But looking at this huge candle, my brother, how will you be able to enter? So I didn't enter. Okay, I didn't enter this trade because of this huge move. I was scared about that move and I didn't enter. So I was waiting for another opportunity, and that opportunity happened exactly here. So as the market was pulling back, I saw this rejection, rejection, rejection. So as I said, on the third or on the fourth, on the fifth or sixth, the highest is six candles. Okay, four or six candle forming that structure, that pattern for me. So I have first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, which is this bearish engulfing candle. Okay, and it has started the trend line and it is downtrend. So quickly I entered out a sell position here. Okay, I entered a sell position risking 40 pips. Then I set my TP. So actually I set TP a little bit below this low, but looking at the moment when market got to my TP, I decided to let it go. So I waited and this kind of closes, then I took my profit. Okay. So again, the same thing that I have spotted, my brother and my sisters. The same thing that I have spotted on this trade again. Market came back. You see, this thing the same thing happened down here, but this is, we are not trading against the trend. As you know, you follow where the trend is going, we follow the trend. So I waited, and the market came to the trend line, giving me the first one, the first rejection. If you can see it very well, the first rejection, none of the candle closes above it. Okay, none of the candle closes above it, and also it's at a resistant level. It's at resistant level. So that is another confluence that it may work. So the first one, second one, third one, fourth one giving me an entry confirmation. Okay, so at times too, it's not all the time you wait for it to come to 50% of the engulfing candle before you enter. Looking at your stop loss and risk to reward, if you think you can go for it, go for it. Okay, so this one, I think I reached like 45 pips. Yes, 45 pips or so, or 50 pips, if I can remember well. And I set my TP at this low. So I allowed this market to play. This took a very long time to play. Okay, this is 4 hour candles. These candles are 4 hour candles. So as it was doing that thing and it came back to the trend line, I was scared that it's going to break the trend line and take my stop loss, but As you know, as soon as I enter the market, I know that I'm ready to lose that money, and that is it. So I set my stop loss, then allow the market to play. Okay, at times it can come back and take you at a break even. Mostly when your trade gets to half of your take profit, you should break even. I said that in my previous videos. If you haven't watched it, go and watch risk management. And this is my entry confirmation. My brothers and my sisters, this entry confirmation, it's very powerful. You can backtest it on the currency pair that you trade. Okay, this is a very important information that I've shared with you for free. All I want from you is to give this video a thumbs up. Just give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I believe you have learned a lot from this video. You know, the forex market is very, very lucrative. There's money there, everybody can make, but you should be cautious on how you trade. Okay, don't just take this formation that I've shown you right now and just be trading anyhow. No, please, you should have other confluences in place, like support and resistance, break and retest, trend line, and all those things in place before you enter a trade. It's very, very important. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.